York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Westchester County in southeastern New York, Orange County in southeastern New York, western Putnam County in southeastern New York, Rockland County in southeastern New York, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:49 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Smallwood to near Unionville to near Vernon Valley, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Warwick and Florida around 7:55 p.m. Middletown and Goshen around 8 p.m. Monroe around 8:05 p.m. Pomona and Harriman around 8:10 p.m. Haverstraw and West Point around 8:15 p.m. Ossining and Peekskill around 8:20 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect.